There is nothing as complex as pricing when you are selling online, since product prices can depend on many variables. With Sana for SAP, there is nothing to worry about because all pricing and calculation logic is natively present in SAP. Pricing logic in SAP is very complex, but at the same time is very flexible. Just to show you a small example, I will open some sales order in SAP. Here you can see that this particular material was purchased with this sales order. If we open this material, under the Conditions tab you can see pricing which was determined for this material. These pricing elements which you see here are divided into categories. These can be prices, discounts, surcharges, some freight costs, and sales taxes. And all of them are represented by different condition types. If we click on Analysis, this is a pricing log. You can see here the pricing procedure with the condition types and excess sequences, which were used to calculate the final price of a material. It does not mean that it has to be a price, but it can be a net price, or a material price, or a discount, for example, or a sales deal, or whatever. Pricing is a very complicated topic in SAP. As you can see, this pricing procedure was used to calculate the price for the material. Every company uses its own pricing procedure in SAP with various condition techniques that meet their own business requirements. Various elements used in these condition techniques are set up and controlled in customizing. So, if we go to customizing, you will see a lot of standard pricing configurations. You see, here we have condition types. These are the condition types which I showed you before. And you can see them here. And every condition type, for example, PR00, has its own function. Is it a price, or is it a discount, or maybe taxes, or some extra payment? It can be anything. And for example, if it is a price, is it based on quantity? Is it fixed amount? Or maybe it is even based on weight? Moreover, in SAP you can also create customized pricing conditions and set up them the way you need. Those condition types are assigned to a pricing procedure. This is the pricing procedure that was used for the material, and you can also find it here with all condition types. You can also have a customized pricing procedure. Each pricing condition type in SAP has excess sequences. SAP uses excess sequences to find valid data for a particular condition type based on priority. For example, when you set up a price for a material, you will have a choice whether to set up base price for a material or a customer-specific price. This is the purpose of excess sequences. During sales order processing, the excess sequence enables SAP to access the data records in a particular sequence until it finds a valid price. In our example with the sales order and the material that was purchased, you can see that this is the pricing procedure that was used to calculate the price. This is the pricing condition type and its excess sequences. At first, SAP looked at this excess sequence and didn't find any record. Then it proceeded to another excess sequence based on priority and found a record with a price. At this point, SAP stopped looking for a record in other excess sequences which were lower in priority. To summarize, this is how SAP determines and calculates prices. At first, it determines the pricing procedure. Then the pricing procedure defines the valid condition types and their sequence. Each condition type in the pricing procedure can have an excess sequence assigned to it. SAP checks the excess sequences until it finds a valid condition record. SAP repeats this process for each condition type in the pricing procedure and determines a final price. Well, everything that I have showed you is just to give you a very general understanding on how pricing logic works in SAP. But this is not the main topic of this demo. Pricing logic in SAP is very complex, and if you want to learn it, you should refer to the official SAP documentation or consult an SAP expert. The main question of this demo is how to set up prices for the SAP App Store. I have briefly mentioned before about different condition types in SAP that are used to determine and calculate prices, discounts, surcharges, and taxes. In SAP, there is a SAP admin table pricing calculations, where you need to define which condition types you are using to set up prices. Those condition types which you set up in this table will be used to determine and calculate prices in the SAP App Store. As you can see here, you can define condition types for the sales prices, discounts, and taxes and map them to the SAP App Store. If you're using different condition types to determine prices, discounts, and taxes, you can create several records for the SAP App Store and set up the necessary condition types. And if you have multiple web stores, you can set up condition types for each SAP App Store. For example, on this demo environment, you can see that the condition type PR00 is used to determine sales prices, K007 is used for discounts, and MWST for taxes. Of course, you can use any other condition types. In SAP, there are a lot of standard condition types. For example, PR00 is used to set up a price of a product. It can be used either to set a standard product price or a sales price for a specific customer. Condition type K004 is used to set up discount for a material. K005 is used to set up a discount for a certain material and a customer. K007 is used to set up a discount for a specific customer which is applied to all material ordered by this customer. Using transaction codes VK11, VK12, and VK13, you can create, change, and display condition records for prices, discounts, and taxes. For example, if I enter the condition type PR00, which is set in the SAP admin table for sales prices, you will see access sequences for this condition type, where you can choose whether to set up a price for a product, sales area, and customer, or only the price for a product. For example, if I select this combination, I can set up a customer-specific price for a product. I need to enter a material number, a sales unit of measure, and a customer. Just in the same way, you can set up a base sales price of a product. The only difference is that you don't need to specify a certain customer. To demonstrate you how it works, I will open the SAP demo store and some product list page. So here you can see a list of products with prices, which are already configured in SAP. And now let's take a look at the SAP admin table for pricing in SAP. As you can see, the condition type K007 is set here for discounts. So let's create a condition record and enter the K007 condition type. It is used to set up a discount for a specific customer. So I will enter a customer number and let's say I want to offer a 7% discount to this customer for all products. Let's open the SAP demo store again and log in with a customer account for which I configured a discount in SAP. As you can see, now for this customer, two prices are shown per product. The base product prices are of a gray color and marked strike through, while the prices which are already with a discount for this customer are of a red color, and these are the actual prices for this customer now. You can control presentation of prices from SAP admin. In SAP admin, if you go to Setup, Products, Price, and disable the option Action Prices, the customer will see in the web store only the actual sales prices of his or her without the base product prices. Another example which I would like to show you is volume discounts. I have a product for which I have already configured volume discounts in SAP. On the product details page, you can see a link, View Volume Discount. Clicking on this link opens a table with volume discounts for this particular product. Volume discounts is a pricing strategy that allows discounts for bulk purchases. Typically, the greater the number of products purchased, the greater discount. This way, a customer can see the pricing offers directly on the product details page before ordering the product. In SAP, to set up volume discounts, the scale-based pricing is used. Let's change a condition record for some product. I will use the condition type PR00 for pricing. So here is the condition record with the price for this particular product. If I click Scales, here I can set up prices for this product based on a quantity which will be shown in the web store as volume discounts. As you can see, volume discounts which I have just configured are now shown on the product details page. From SAP admin, you can also show or hide volume discounts in the SAP Web Store. You can even show and hide all prices in the SAP Web Store per customer type. But all these price settings in SAP admin are for presentation purposes only, while all prices are managed in a single place, SAP. And all calculations are also done by SAP in real time, taking into account all pricing conditions and based on the latest pricing logic.